Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to import MetaMask wallet using secret phrase. So it's a very simple and easy thing to do. First of all, you need to tap on the MetaMask wallet icon, and once you see this type of page in front of you, you need to tap on the get started option in the bottom. After that, on the next page, it will give you two different options. So since we want to import our MetaMask wallet using the seed phrase, you need to select the first option. After selecting it, you will be landed on this page where you need to simply provide your secret recovery phrase. If you have the QR code, you can even tap on this QR code icon and you can just scan your secret recovery phrase. After providing it, you need to enter your password. It will be your password that you are going to create as completely new. Then you need to confirm your password, and here in the bottom you will see this unlock the fingerprint option as well. So if you want to enable it, you need to simply tap on this toggle button in order to turn it on. After filling these details, you need to press the import button in the bottom, and as soon as you tap on the import button, it will just log you into your MetaMask account. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions regarding this tutorial, you can just ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.